Hi gang, today we're going to work some more on recognizing functions. Remember from yesterday, we talked about how a function is a set of values where each input only has one output, or each x is only paired with one y. Okay, so let's see some more ideas where this shows up. So as developed in the last lesson, a function is a relationship that assigns each input one output. An easy way to see if a set of coordinates represents a function is by graphing them. If the graph of the data passes the vertical line test, then it represents a function. To pass the vertical line test, there can only be one output, or y, for each input, or x. In other words, a vertical line cannot be formed between any of the points plotted in a given set of data. So let's see what this looks like on a coordinate plane. So here we have a whole bunch of points that we have to graph so we can determine if it's a function or not. So starting with negative 5, 8, we go left 5 and up 8, which is all the way up here. Then negative 3, 4, we go left 3 and up 4. Then negative 1, 0, we go left 1 and stay at 0. 1, negative 4, we go right 1 and down 4. And 3, negative 8, we go right 3 and down 8. So here we have a whole bunch of points that if I were to connect, form a straight diagonal line. Within my diagonal line, I do not have any vertical line sections. Therefore, this passes the vertical line tests and is a function. So we can state that this is a function because each input only has one output and it passes the vertical line test. Let's take a look at the second example. So here we have negative 4, negative 2. So we go left 4 and down 2. Then negative 2, 0. So we go left 2 and stay at 0. Then negative 2, 2. So we go left 2 and up 2. Then negative 2, 4. Left 2 and up 4. Then 0, 6. Stay at 0. Go up to 6. So here, if I were to connect my points, I get a vertical line section. So this does not pass the vertical line test and is therefore not a function because these 3 points have the same input. So the input of negative 2 has 3 different outputs. So this is not a function because the input of negative 2 has 3 different outputs and does not or doesn't pass the vertical line test. Okay, so hopefully you understand how you can determine from a graph whether a set of values is a function or is not a function. Because you're going to try 3 through 8 on your own, okay? As you're doing them, make sure you're checking in with me so I can be sure that you've got them right. And then you can move on to your exit ticket.